Welcome today. Let's talk about Teruna Classic news and let's talk about Teruna Classic bond update. Now, Classic's Spare destroyed over 18,798,916 coins of Teruna Classic LUNC. Yes, over 18 million coins have been destroyed by Classic Spare, and I believe even though they are not burning like other top burners, but at least they have contributed towards the burning of Teruna Classic. It is not easy to even burn this amount of coins. It's not easy. So for me, I still have to say that Classic Spare, though they have not been constantly burning Teruna Classic, but the little they burn, of course, we can see the number of Teruna Classic coins they were able to destroy. Yes, this number, even with this number they just destroyed, they are ranked among the top 20 Teruna Classic bond portal. Okay, they are among the top 20. So you see, they've really tried in destroying Teruna Classic. I think the number 15 is Bybit. So they are ranked the top 20. Bybit destroyed over 53 million coins, while they are burning about over 18 million coins of Teruna Classic have been destroyed by a Classic Spare. So I see that they've really done something worth thanking for Teruna Classic community. And the only thing we need to do now is let's just keep on supporting Teruna Classic. And I also hope that Luna founders, Luna developers can reach out to most of these burning portals to see if some of them can continue to burn and to see how they can come in to collaborate, to partner with them on the burning of Teruna Classic to make sure that they will keep on burning huge coins of Teruna Classic. Yeah, and I believe if they can really do that, I see some of these small portals have been burning few coins of Teruna Classic, burning even higher coins of Teruna Classic. Yes, they really need to make, especially in the area of social media engagement, Teruna Classic needs to really make some of these bond portals popular and, work with them. Some of them have already stopped burning. So if they can still come, hold a meeting, discuss on how they can really come in assisting Teruna Classic coin. And I believe that will result into more burning of Teruna Classic. It is not easy to burn Luna, but for me, Classic's Spare destroying over 18 million coins is amazing. So let's see and let's hope for more burning of Teruna Classic to continue to go. Now today, many coins, in fact most coins have been trading on red today. Yes, yesterday they were on green, but today you can see even Bitcoin dropped a little bit today to the market, and Teruna Classic also dropped. Yes, Teruna Classic dropped today. Unlike yesterday, they were trading on green, but today Teruna Classic is already trading on red. So let's hope that tomorrow they will definitely bounce back on the green, on the bullish train, to see if they will start recording once again. Please remember to subscribe, turn on notification, drop your comment in the comment section below. Once again, thank you for stopping by.